How to delete specific history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete specific history on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click this one, history, and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click delete. And now all you need to do is just select any history you want here and then click delete and delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.